Okay, here we are again in sunny Queensland on the Gold Coast. We're here cleaning some windows and solar panels. You can see here there's an array of about 26 panels here on the roof, fairly flat, and we're just using the same technique that we use to clean the windows. We're just using a little bit of very mild detergent and just giving them a good applicate, plenty of agitation just to move that dirt around, and then just squeegeeing off. We find we're getting a really good result with that. Alrighty, that's it.